To show you a little bit about a guessing game program made with Python. Um, well, first, what you need to do is import the random library. This allows you to access these random functions that allows you to randomize a number between specific values that include the endpoints. So it will be this random value. We'll choose a random integer from 1 to the max value, which this max values is determined by what the input is from the user, and of course you need to convert it into an integer. This file also has the functionality where all your guesses that you made will be appended into this list and then get printed out here as a list. So let me give you an example of what's going on. So let's just say I want the highest number to be 5. Guess a number between 1 and 5. And a little bit of instructions here as well of what I'm trying to do. So 1, I did it in the first try. That, like I said, it's randomized, and it just prints out 1. Let's try that again. Try 5 again. 1, too low. 5, too high. And still too high. Still too high. And there it goes. It prints out 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 guesses in that list. And I can do this for as high as the number I want. I don't want to bore you, so I'll do 10. So 1 to 10. I also added functionality where if I go too high, it's considered invalid. But continuing on, we are able to, it handles every single input. And that's basically what I have for going through. That's how it plays out. It goes through a bunch of if statements, like so the first thing it checks to see if it's a valid input, and then to see if it was too low or too high, and then to see if you actually hit it. And then it gets out of that while loop. That while loop allows you to keep guessing over and over again, and then it adds an amount of guesses each time. This else statement is just here for syntax and just, make it look pretty, just debugging purposes. Like if someone was able to get out of all these options, I printed like, how did you do this kind of thing. But that was for safety. But that's everything for this program. I hope you learned a little bit about what it means to make a guessing game. Have a nice day then.